Hello? If you have a unique product design, securing its legal protection is crucial to prevent unauthorized use or imitation. At Filings Corner, we specialize in design registration, helping businesses and creators safeguard their innovations and brand identity. With our team of chartered accountants, company secretaries, lawyers, and IP experts, we ensure a smooth and hassle-free process, making sure your design gets the protection it deserves. What is design registration? Design registration protects the visual appearance of a product, including its shape, pattern, configuration, or ornamentation. It is governed by the Designs Act 2000, granting the owner exclusive rights to prevent unauthorized reproduction or imitation. If you've developed a unique product, design registration adds legal protection and enhances its commercial value. Why should you register your design? Legal protection prevents others from copying your design. Exclusive ownership grants exclusive rights for 10 plus 5 years. Market advantage strengthens brand identity and credibility. Infringement action enables you to take legal steps against unauthorized usage. International recognition supports IP protection worldwide. Eligibility for design registration. The design must be new and original. No prior publication or similarity. It must apply to a physical product. The design must be visible in the final manufactured item. It should not include functional aspects. Only aesthetic features can be protected. It must not resemble trademarks, artistic works, or obscene content. Step-by-step process for design registration. 1. Design search. Conduct a uniqueness check via the Indian Patent Office. 2. Application filing. Submit Form 1 with clear visual representations of the design. 3. Examination process. The Design Office reviews compliance with legal requirements. 4. Objection handling. If any queries arise, we assist in submitting the appropriate response. 5. Registration and publication. Once approved, your design is registered and published, granting exclusive rights. 6. Renewal. Maintain protection after 10 years by renewing for an additional 5 years. Government fees for design registration, individuals and startups. RA 1000 small entities. RS 2000 companies. RA 4000. How long does it take? Processing time, typically 6 to 8 months, depending on complexity. Validity. The registered design is protected for 10 years and can be renewed for another 5 years. Why choose Filings Corner? Expert legal assistance. CAs, CSs, and IP lawyers handle the process from start to finish. Affordable and transparent pricing. No hidden charges, clear fee structure. Complete support, from documentation to application tracking and legal enforcement. Fast processing. Our expertise ensures quick and hassle-free approvals. Proven success. Hundreds of businesses have trusted us for their intellectual property protection. Get started today. Your design is valuable. Don't leave it unprotected. Secure it now with Filings Corner. Call us now or visit www.filingscorner.com to register your design today. Filings Corner, your trusted partner in design protection.